Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed estimation of 6-digit numbers. In this video we will learn estimation word problems. Today our topic is estimation word problems. A chart has been shown and here different cities are given with their population. Karachi 11,800,000, Rio de Janeiro 11,556,000, Shanghai 16,650,000, Tokyo 32,450,000, New York City 19,750,000, Dhaka 10,979,000. First of all, we will find out the estimated population of all these cities. Population of Karachi is 11,800,000. As the given number have 10 million at the highest place value. Therefore, we round off the given numbers to the nearest million or to the nearest second highest place value. I repeat, we round off the numbers to the nearest million. There is a number 11,800,000. So we will round it off to the nearest million. We will see the digit in hundred thousands place. The digit in hundred thousands place is 8 and 8 is greater than 5. We will round it off as 12 million. Population of Rio de Janeiro is 10,556,000. The given number have 10 million at the highest place value. Therefore, we round off the given numbers to the nearest million. The number is 10,556,000. So, we will see the digit in the hundred thousands place. The digit in the 100,000 place is 5 and 5 is equals to 5. We will round it off to the next million. So we have 11 million. Population of Shanghai is 16,650,000. As the given number have 10 million at the highest place value. Therefore, we round off the given numbers to the nearest million or to the nearest second highest place value. I repeat, we round off the numbers to the nearest million. As the population is 16,650,000, so we will round it off to the nearest million. We will see the digit in hundred thousands place. In 100,000 place there is 6. As 6 is greater than 5, so we will round it off to the next million. Population of Shanghai will be rounded off to the 17 million. Population of Tokyo is 32,450,000. As the given number have 10 million at the highest place value. Therefore, we round off the given numbers to the nearest million or to the nearest second highest place value. I repeat, we round off the numbers to the nearest million. As the population is 32,450,000, we will round it off to the nearest million. We will see the digit in hundred thousands place and this is 4 and 4 is less than 5. We will round it down to the previous number, that is 32 million. Population of New York City. The population of New York City is 19,750,000. 19,750,000. If we want to round it off to the nearest million, the digit in 100,000 place is 7. As 7 is greater than 5, so we will round it off to the next million. 20 million. After 19 it comes 20. Population of Dhaka. As the given number have 10 million at the highest place value. Therefore, we round off the given numbers to the nearest million or to the nearest second highest place value. I repeat, we round off the numbers to the nearest million. The population of Dhaka is 10,979,000. We will see the digit in 100,000s place, and this is 9. 9 is greater than 5. We will round it off to the next million, that is 11 million. Estimated population of Karachi is 12 million. Rio de Janeiro 12 million. Shanghai 17 million. Tokyo 32 million. New York City 20 million, and Dhaka is 11 million. How many more people live in Shanghai than in Karachi? As the population of Shanghai is more than Karachi, so we will write it as minuend. And 12 million, we will write it as subtrahend, that is the population of Karachi. Now we will start from units. We have to subtract 0 units out of 0. Here we get 0. In the units, there is 0. We will write 0 because we have to subtract 0 out of 0. Now we will move towards the tens. We have to subtract 0 tens out of 0 tens. Here we get 0. In the hundreds column, we see that there is 0 that we have to subtract out of 0. So we will write 0 in hundreds column. In the thousand, we have to subtract 0 out of 0. We also get 0. If we move towards the 10,000, we can see that there is also 0 in the subtrahend and 0 in the minuend. So if we subtract 0 out of 0, we get 0. In the hundred column, there is 0 we have to subtract from 0. So we get 0. Now we will move towards the millions. We have to subtract 2 millions out of 7 millions. If we subtract 2 out of 7, we get 5. So we will write 5 in millions column. The next digit is 10 million. So we will subtract 1 out of 1. If we subtract the same number, we get 0. So we can say that 5 million more people live in Shanghai than in Karachi. Now we have to find the total number of people living in Tokyo and New York. As we have to find out the total number, so we will add these two populations. We start from the units. In units, we have 0 in both the numbers. In 0, if we add 0, we get 0. Same, we will write 0. The total number of people living in Tokyo and New York are 52 million. Now we will arrange the cities and populations in order, starting from the smallest and moving towards the greatest. Rio de Janeiro, 11 million. Dhaka, 11 million. Karachi, 12 million. Shanghai, 17 million. New York City, 20 million, and Tokyo, 32 million. Now we will add all these populations. In units, we can see that all the digits are 0. So we will write 0 in this column. In tens, if we see that all the digits are 0. So we will write 0 here. In hundreds, all the digits are also 0. In 0, if we add 0, we get 0. In thousand column, we will also write 0 here. In 10,000s, there will be also 0. In 100,000s, there are also zeros. So we will get 0 if we add them. Now we will move towards the millions. We can see that there is 2. In 2, if we add 1, we get 3. In 3 if we add 7 we get 10. In 10 if we add 2 we get 12. And 0 means nothing. So we will add 1 here. It makes 13. We will write 3 here and we will carry forward 1 to the 10 millions. Now we will add all these numbers. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2 and 1. So it makes 10. We will write 0 here and we will carry forward 1 to the 100 millions. As there is nothing to add in this number, we will write 1 as it is. The total population of all these cities is 103 million. In this video we have discussed estimation word problems. In the next video we will learn properties and for operations. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.